Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 and 4 series BMW guys and you're trying to find where your fuel pressure sensor is located, the fuel rail pressure sensor guys, stay with us and we'll explain guys that today. Now, quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including guys this BMW here, we make more than 300-400 videos guys sometimes. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos and show you how to fix your car on your own. As you know, BMW 3 and 4 series share the same platform, engines are the same. We'll demonstrate on the 4-cylinder gasoline engine. This is known as N20 or N26 engine that has been used in multiple BMWs guys. It's been used in 320, 328, 420, 428, but I think if you have the 316, 18, okay, the procedure may apply as well. Now, if you guys need to buy a new sensor, replacement parts for your BMW, anything like that guys, check out the links in the description of the video below. We'll share all that for your convenience guys. So, we'll go ahead guys, open the hood and I'll show you where it's located. So, we'll need to remove guys the engine cover in order to get to that fuel rail pressure sensor. Now, some vehicles will have two sensors. One is for the fuel pump that's in the fuel tank, and one is guys you have a secondary high pressure pump which works for the direct fuel injection. So that's the fuel rail pressure sensor, that's what we'll be working on. Now this cover that we need to remove here guys, it has 3 mounts, 1, 2, 3, so we need to lift it up. Then here you have 2 guides that go like that, so lift it up and pull it out in an angle. Okay, perfect. Let me show you where the things are actually, right here. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. So, with that being said, okay, we can remove that foam piece, that insulation, and let me show you something, guys, quick. Now, if you guys have that engine, they have problems with the timing chains. Okay, certain years, not all of them. And we just did a timing chain replacement that failed at 87,000 miles, and that video will be on our main channel, How to Repair, guys. This is our main channel. World Mechanics is more of an informational channel, and Electrical Car Repair Live, guys, we put all the electrical videos, how to diagnose the system, engine codes, transmission codes, things like that. So, if you want to see the actual replacement of the fuel pressure sensor, guys, fuel rail pressure sensor, we have it on How to Repair, guys, check it out. But now we will show you where it's located. You have to be careful because you can set your car on fire, so you must watch the video, guys, to see how we minimize that. So, that risk. Looking at it guys, this is your direct fuel injection. This is your high pressure fuel pump. It brings the fuel to the fuel rail and it's distributed here to the fuel injectors. Now on the back side of the fuel rail, this is guys your sensor right there. You can see you get to it that way. Not very complicated guys, right there. It's easy to remove as well, but you need to follow certain procedures, so make sure you check it out on How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and see you guys next time.